Thank you so much, all Team 100. Ruchi, I just met you a month ago.
I know.
Lara,
Yes.
great to see you again. Hello, Rinku, and hello, Karan. So, how is the lockdown and self-isolation treating you all? The first question.
Well, I honestly can't complain. I'm locked in with two of my most favorite people on the planet, my husband and my daughter. And it's been pretty good. It's actually been a great time to just take some downtime. I don't think somebody said this to me earlier, and I agree with them that the only time we'll ever get a chance to do it this way is when we're retired. That's going to be in another 30 years from now. So we might as well enjoy the time that we have to get up and do absolutely nothing.
True that. What about you, Ruchi? You had a busy March happening, and suddenly now everything is up.
I was saying, after Guilty and after I finish 100, I just want 2-3 months with my daughter just to spend time and do nothing. And they say be careful what you wish for, but I think it's for a reason. I mean, I feel extremely fortunate that I am personally in this situation, that I'm with my family, with my daughter. I have internet access, and we've been able to finish the show, the post on the show, like this via internet, and everyone's been working from their home, and we've managed to deliver it as planned before the lockdown. So it's been exhilarating actually, and it's been a lot of hard work and new experiences, but yeah.
रिंकू, आपका कैसा चल रहा है? आइसोलेशन एंजॉय कर रहे हो?
लॉकडाउन में मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि सब लोग अपने अपने घर पे, मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ हूँ. मम्मी पापा टीचर है, तो वो स्कूल में रहते थे, लेकिन अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से सब घर पे है, मिलजुल कर खेल खेलते, कैरम, बुक्स पढ़ते, फिल्म देखते, तो मजा आ रहा है सबके साथ टाइम बिताने में.
What about you, Karan?
Well, I said it's a good trial run for Bigg Boss that all of us are living in. But the only difference is we're not getting paid. But yeah, but it's fun. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. It's a lot of it's just a lot of fun to get up every morning and realize there's nothing to do. So there's no stress.
Yeah, just hope this doesn't become the new normal. But Lara, tell me something. What took you so long to make this digital debut and say yes?
I was saying, Pooja, that if you're, as an actor, if you're crossing over to a different medium, it has to really be something that is completely and totally different. For me, it was meant to be something that was completely and totally different that I've done already in a career that spanned almost 15 years. And also I was looking for something, I would say, that kind of had a little bit more meat on the bones. So you had the opportunity. It's different when you're shooting for a film. You're doing something where within the film, you're creating content that may be about an hour and a half. For a web series, depending on the number of episodes, you're creating content that goes on for at least 8 to 10 hours. So it gives you a chance as an actor as well to explore a dimension of you that you've never actually had the opportunity to kind of create before. And 100 for me, when Ruchi actually approached me, really came completely out of the blue. So it was a phone call one day with Ruchi saying, I'm working on something, I want you to hear it. And, I said, okay, I'm sitting around, I'm doing nothing, come on over. And key things for me, really, honestly, the first time I heard it out, because when she came over, she brought 1 or 2 episodes and, narrated the entire thing to me. I love the fact that the writing was extremely fresh, which is what I found with the advent of digital, platforms within the country, that the writing is so much better than the writings that we've had previously through films. So in terms of content, the content is much better. The characters really kick ass. We're saying this on other interviews as well. ACP Soumya Shukla is all that, in many ways, the woman I wish I could be. But, I'm sort of reined in and restrained by what society would consider a normal behavior for, especially Lara.
You've been a pathbreaker too, Lara. I mean, I would say that. Sorry, I'm interrupting, but you've been a pathbreaker.
No, of course. Pathbreaker for sure. But I think, over here, we're sort of, we're dictated to by our relationships, by our society. So and as actors as well, we're very sort of, guarded in what we kind of, let out. Soumya sort of doesn't have any of those filters because she doesn't have a choice. She's a woman functioning in a man's world. So she has to think like a man in order to survive. She has a huge chip on her shoulder, which I don't have, but she has a huge chip on her shoulder as a character, about existing in a misogynistic, environment, constantly being passed up for the promotions and the big cases, and they being given out to men. And it was amazing for us, even during our prep, when we met with fellow women officers within the Maharashtra police force, to kind of imbibe those nuances. A lot of them said, that we've just become one of the men. And that's just the way that we are, because that's the only way to function within the system. All of them across the board said that they would never marry a fellow police officer. They didn't want to take work back home. It was bad enough at work. Here, ACP Soumya Shukla is married to DCP Praveen Tamre. That creates its own dynamic and competition. So yeah, she was just this really explosive, sort of character that for me was amazing because it had so many layers than characters that I've played in the past. And it was a huge hook for me to come on board.
Awesome. And Rinku, आप बताओ, आपका भी डिजिटल डेब्यू ये है. आपकी लास्ट फिल्म सैराट इतना अवार्ड्स और इतना उसको प्यार मिला है, तो आपका बस वो छवि बन गई है कि आप वो सैराट गर्ल हो. बट ये इसमें नेत्रा का रोल, जो स्विट्जरलैंड के सपने देखती है मगर है बेचारी मुंबई में, तो आप बताओ आपको क्या अच्छा लगा?
एक ही अच्छा लगा ऐसा नहीं बता सकती. 100 मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि हिंदी में मैं पहली बार कर रही हूँ और वेब सीरीज वो भी. और जब रुचि जी ने मुझे पहली बार 100 की स्टोरी बताई तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई. और नेत्रा जो कैरेक्टर है वो आर्ची से बहुत अलग है. वो भी एक मराठी लड़की है, लेकिन जिस तरह की जिंदगी जीती है, जिस तरह से बात करने का उसका ढंग है, वो बहुत अलग है. इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आर्ची की जो छवि है वो हट ना जाए, लेकिन लोगों को दूसरा कुछ और देखने के लिए मिले नेत्रा की ओर से. और बहुत कॉमेडी है नेत्रा, तो बहुत कुछ अलग करने का मौका मिला.
Awesome. And Karan, coming to you now, is basically female bonding happening big time. So where do you fit into the scheme of things? So
I love the set, man. There are so many females. Just love it. I'm just happy and glad, and I want to thank Ruchi that Rat had 2 guys. So, but yeah, I think it's always good. I've been directed by a woman before, and it's similar or different. I think every director has their own way to guide you. And I'm just glad that I got to work with Ruchi, because she's just, I think she's the best thing that I've found in her, that she's very accommodating for ideas. And I think as an actor, it's always good to have a discussion. Because I remember before we started shooting for 100, I had gone to the office with a few suggestions and a few things that I had thought about. And I was so glad that she was very welcoming and even more excited about the ideas that I threw, even more excited than I was. So I think it just gives you as an actor that extra leverage and that extra want to do more.
That's what they say, women are far more democratic than men. Don't you think so, Ruchi? So after Guilty 100, 2 polar opposites.
You've hit the nail on its head. I think for me, that was the most exhilarating thing, to be able to traverse this distance. 100, I've just thoroughly enjoyed every part of it because it's so cheeky. I mean, it's not it's not like a slapstick kind of comedy. It's very irreverent, and the humor is quite subtle. So I've really enjoyed it, and I've really, as Karan was saying, actually, I've really enjoyed working with all these actors because each of them have brought so much individuality and uniqueness from bits of their understanding, from bits of their personality into the characters, that I feel it just makes everyone seem much more real and relatable. I mean, I, like Karan was saying, I am very not just open to suggestions, but I'm actually very greedy. Like, if anyone has a good idea, I want it because it's only going to make our show better. So it's been, a great ride. I think we've all enjoyed it very much. And now I hope you guys enjoy
I'm
watching
sure
it.
we will. And interesting, Lara, I first met you when you were crowned Miss Universe. I still remember doing that interview with you. And then, as you said, a long career in films. And now after a break, not a break, you've been doing other things also. Your cosmetics and all, which is like, I've used. Very, very good. So basically, what change do you see now? Do you feel with the digital platform, there are more meteor roles for women artists as well? It's far more democratic and there is no dearth of stories.
No, I definitely think so. I think one of the most exciting things from an artist's point of view that's happened in this country has been the emergence of digital platforms. I think it's created an opportunity wherein, whatever said or done, the industry, the film industry, doesn't provide, as many opportunities for really talented newcomers to really have the chance to break out or make it big, until and unless you have connections within the industry or somebody, you get really, really lucky for someone to take a chance on you. But here with digital content, with the amount of the demand for consumption that there is, you have an incredible emergence of great writers, a lot more women directors, women writers, women producers that have come into the business. And it's fantastic. I mean, I've been an actor, producer myself, so I know how difficult it is to, kind of navigate those different spheres. And as an actor, it's amazing because today the amount of things that I'm being offered on the digital, or through digital media, is by far much superior in quality compared to what was on offer at that point of time within the Indian film industry. So as an actor, it's almost like a revival. It's amazing. I'm in my 40s and I'm getting the kind of work that I've always dreamt of doing. And I love the fact, we're always asked the questions that as you get older as actresses, does, work kind of taper down? Do you stop getting offers? And that's just not the case. And I think that's largely because of what the digital, medium has done. And it's fantastic. I'm genuinely having fun. I'm not playing to a certain formula. I'm not playing to, reaching certain numbers. As an actor, it's all just beginning. It's just taking off.
Awesome. रिंकू आप बताओ, रिंकू आप बताएं, आपने काफी मराठी फिल्मों में तो आपका बहुत प्रोमिनेंट नाम है. अब डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म करके आपको लगता है कि इस माध्यम से आप दूसरी लैंग्वेजेस एंड जॉनर्स भी कर पाएंगे?
पता नहीं एक्चुअली दूसरी लैंग्वेज में कर पाऊंगी या नहीं मुझे, लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा कि अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में मैं कर पाऊँ तो, और अच्छी कहानी हो तो मैं किसी भी लैंग्वेज में कर सकती हूँ.
Rinku, I have a Spanish project coming up.
Madam, do you need गरीबों का professor?
Money Heist, season 6.
Oh wow! All of you just like finger now. And Karan, what about you? Are you enjoying this space, OTT platform,
I think
television too?
I am completely loving it. I think I'll take it from where Lara left it by saying that it's just the beginning. It's actually like a fresh beginning, because I think as an actor, eventually, probably for me, I loved the stardom, the fan base, and people going berserk about how the way you look, or how the way you have a great body. But I think eventually with time, you realize that I want people to talk about my work. I want them to watch a series and probably just come to me and say, we didn't like your work. And I'm okay with that. And I think the web is giving that platform to a lot of us. I remember on the set of 100, I think it was one of the ADs, I don't remember his name. And after a scene, he came to me and said, "Sir, yaar, aap to acting bhi kar lete ho."
ये भी पूछा इतने टाइम से कर रहा था मैं.
So, honestly, but it's not their fault. It's just the way people perceive you. Like if they've seen, and it's just not with us. Like if they've seen, when I go to watch a Salman Khan film, I want to see Salman Khan being Salman Khan, and there's nothing wrong in that. But I feel as an individual, sometimes you want people to talk about your work because that's what's going to give you more work.
I mean, I'm sure he was the jester on set, was he? Lady.
Definitely. Though I must say we had other people competing for the crown on that one.
Awesome.
Rinku, don't try and look so innocent.
Oh, really? Rinku, she's very quiet, Rinku.
सब ढोंग है,
नहीं है।
ढोंग।
हाँ
Rinku, सबसे ज्यादा मजा क्या आया था सेट पर, ये बताओ.
सबसे ज्यादा हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता था हर किसी के साथ, तो हर रोज मजा आता था. मैं तो हर रोज मजा लेती थी सबके साथ.
Rinku, you should tell her the story ना. वो स्टोरी बता देना कि तूने किसके किसके करियर बनाए हैं.
हाँ, बताओ.
अरे
And now
ओहे,
come to you.
करण का मुझे मत सुनो, तुम बैठ कर.
My God, look at
खुद
them.
का नहीं बना पा रही हूँ, दूसरों का क्या बनाओ करियर.
But also all of you, so you're so used to being in the public eye. Now with this social distancing and isolation, does that get to you, or is it something that you all craved for to just be?
I'll answer for myself. I've always been a homebody. To get me to go to any filmy party was like trying to extract the two. So I'm extremely happy. To be very honest, apart from getting up, I miss being on set and doing my work. But other than that, my lifestyle hasn't really changed very much. So I'm okay.
Lara, what would you have done during this time with the gym look, the airport look, the restaurant look? You didn't have it during your time. There was no social media also.
There never was, Pooja. And if you've noticed, I'm one of the celebrities who gets photographed the least. And even when I do get papped, I genuinely look like I went to the gym and I sweated it out, and I have no such look.
She gets tapped outside her daughter's school for pickups and drop-offs. Huh? She doesn't
Only
have
on
gym
annual
looks. She
day.
has
Thankfully, I'm
school
dressed
looks.
nicely.
Karan, what's your take on the airport look, the gym look, my first bite of pizza look? Everything is a look now.
I don't have the money to get those pictures clicked, so I can't. नहीं, यार, I honestly.
इसने बता भेद खोल दिया है.
Karan.
नहीं, but सच्ची, this is my look.
झूठा.
लुंगी look.
अरे 70s में बहुत फेमस था राजेश खन्ना. Everybody used to get.
नहीं, I would love to get those looks done, but यार मतलब it's उसके लिए घर से बाहर निकलना पड़ता है. मतलब वो तो वैसे भी I don't know, यार. I think it's great for people to be in the eye because when we say out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, but कभी-कभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है, तो मैं दूर रहता हूँ. मतलब ठीक है, जितना good PR about work is okay.
And Rinku, आप बताओ आपका क्या टेक है ये Instagram पोस्ट, जिम लुक, हर चीज Instagram.
मेरा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जो पोस्ट करना है वही पोस्ट करती हूँ. लारा मैम जैसा और करण सर जैसा ऐसा नहीं है कि जिम का लुक है, एयरपोर्ट का लुक है. तो अभी कहाँ आई हूँ.
ये अभी भी टेलीग्राम करती है.
नहीं, रिंकू के लुक्स ह्यूमैनिटेरियन लुक्स होते हैं. पप्पी के साथ, फूल के साथ, अर्थ डे, पेट डे.
हाँ, अभी भी वो यहीं पे है.
खाओ ना. So sweet. So anyways, thank you so much. If you had 100 days like Rinku's character, what is that one thing all of you would want to do or complete, a task? I'll start with you.
I want to eat everything I can possibly eat without any guilt. I just want to eat it all.
Karan, what would you do?
I'll just keep watching 100 because that's the last show I did.
Rinku, आप
You
क्या
should
करोगे?
end on that.
100 दिन
जो नेत्रा ने किया है वही, जो मन में आया जी लो, अपनी जिंदगी 100 दिन बचे है, जो करना है वो करूंगी.
Ruchi, what about you?
Yeah, I think that's the takeaway also, even in the show. Do whatever comes into your mind and heart, just do it.
You know, in a way, this pandemic has actually taught us that too. Just do whatever you have to do because you don't know what tomorrow holds.
Exactly.
So anyways, on the last note, once the lockdown is over, the first thing you are going to do, the day it's announced, we are free finally from our cages and we can leave. Everyone's thinking.
I actually don't think everyone is going to run out on the street.
And that
I
nobody.
think, yeah. And I think this lockdown will and has affected each of us quite deeply. I think it'll involve all of us changing our lifestyles a bit, because there's a lot of parts about staying at home, being with your loved ones, limiting other things and doing what is really important, which people are going to embrace and continue into the future.
Lara,
Well, I don't have a choice, Pooja. I was right in the middle of another shoot when the lockdown happened. So I need to fulfill that. So I know the day things are back to normal, in all probability, I'm going to be back on set, which I'll be happy about as well.
Karan, what about you? अपनी कोई विशेष
So I
टिप्पणी?
think I completely agree with Ruchi. I think we will. I for once I think that we will not go back the same way. Because I feel now we're all used to this lockdown to a point that we're not. If we are fortunate enough, we're not missing out on a lot of important things in life. And I hope everyone, when everyone goes back in the same way, a little more content and a little less greedy. That's it.
तो आप बताओ आखिरकार आप क्या करोगे जिस दिन लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा? पहली चीज.
पता नहीं.
किसी को पता नहीं. Thank you so much, all the very best for 100.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pooja.
Good luck, stay safe.
Bye. See you.